Education is a shared responsibility between the school and the home, recognizing the important role of parents in their children's learning. Bagong Sirang Elementary School launched Project Tabang, tulong alay sa mga bata para sa akmang gabay sa pagbasa tungo sa tamang pagkatuto. A flagship program aligned with the Project Rescue May V of Pili East District. An intervention program designed to improve the literacy and numeracy skills of learners through active parent involvement. The word tabang means help or assistance, reflecting the collaborative effort of teachers and parents in supporting the academic growth of every child. Through this project, parents become partners in ensuring that learners continuously develop their reading, writing, and numeracy skills both in school and at home. At Bagong Sirang Elementary School, we believe that learning does not stop when learners leave the classroom. Through Project Tabang, teachers and parents work hand in hand to help learners overcome challenges in literacy and numeracy. Every Friday, teachers conduct meetings with parents to present and discuss the lessons for coming week. During these sessions, parents are guided on the learning activities, strategies, and techniques that they can use to assist their children at home. With a better understanding of the lesson, parents are empowered to become learning facilitators. They provide guidance, encouragement, and support as their children practice reading, writing, and counting, and solving mathematical problems. This strong partnership between teachers and parents creates a supportive learning environment that promotes confidence, motivation, and continuous improvement among learners. Project Tabang is more than an intervention program. It is a testament that the power of collaboration, dedication, and shared commitment to every learner's success. Together, we hope. Together, we teach. Together, we build a brighter future for our learners.